Recent bug in Meta, Facebook, and Instagram proves you cannot always trust a password or even two-factor authentication to keep your private data, pictures, and content secure. A problem with Meta Instagram's code was discovered by a bug bounty hunter that might have allowed a hacker to perform a brute force attack and get beyond Facebook's two-factor authentication security. Also known as multi-factor authentication, is a security process that requires multiple methods of identification. This provides a higher level of security rather than traditional single-factor authentication, such as using only a password. Examples of factors can include something that a user knows, the traditional password, and then something else. Either you are texted an additional code or using a biometric fingerprint ID scan to log in and access your accounts and your data. We all know that simple password security is not great. You have using weak passwords where you have a very easily guessable password like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or the password of password. Reusing the same passwords where if you have a password on one account and it gets hacked, well then if that known password is used anywhere else, all the other passwords and accounts are at risk. Phishing tactics where scammers and hackers will send you to fake login sites, put in your password, and they steal them. Or hackers accessing password data breaches and databases where hackers break into online accounts and networks to get passwords. And then you have your general guessing where a password hacker or scammer is just guessing multiple passwords, hoping to gain access into some account. Ideally, if they know something about you, they can narrow down those options. And also keystroke loggers, where a hacker or scammer puts a piece of virus or malware on your device and tracks your keystrokes looking for your passwords. So, with two-factor authentication is meant to protect us, right? Well, that's assuming it's coded properly without flaws, which is exactly what happened here. A security researcher made the initial discovery that a user could link their Facebook and Instagram accounts by entering a mobile number connected to the Facebook account that they already had verified. Facebook generates a one-time code after the user enters their cell phone number to confirm their identification. However, a hacker may be able to generate an infinite number of bot traffic in order to launch a brute force attack to validate a one-time Facebook PIN to link to the account, essentially getting around the Facebook two-factor authentication safeguard. The research further stated that once inside the account, a hacker could completely cancel the text-based two-factor authentication method and skip the verification process for both unknown and already registered Facebook, Instagram accounts. Since then, Meta has corrected the problem, fixed the code, and as part of their bug bounty process, has awarded the security researcher $27,000 for their research and disclosing it to them and not selling it to a third party or exploiting it themselves. This case story perfectly highlights, in general, it is difficult to guarantee complete privacy online. While some measures can be taken to increase privacy, such as using encryption and securing your passwords, using two-factor authentication, data can still be accessed or intercepted by malicious actors or through security breaches and flaws in code. It is always important to note that many online services collect and store user data for various purposes, such as targeted advertising or performance optimization, so it is important to be mindful of the information shared online and to take steps to protect personal privacy. If you have anything online that is private and you want no one else to see what that is, I don't care what it is, think carefully about how and where you manage your data, because there is little to no guarantee. You may have a password, you may use fingerprint ID, you might use a Face ID, you might have two-factor authentication enabled, but can you be 100% certain that those security parameters have been coded perfectly without any flaws that will never be discovered? As we see here, there's no guarantee. Interested in learning more? Stay safer, more private, and use technology to help you succeed? Check out all our other videos and our website, thewhitehatter.ca, for our blog, articles, guides, and resources to help you stay safe and have a great time online.